guys, it's me, and today I'm doing Joyce Byers makeups. Let's go. All the things that I'm going to be using is going to be in the description below. Okay, so the first thing that I did is curl my hair. Well, my mom curled my hair, but same thing. It's a bit long, like, her hair is like up here, but my hair isn't that short, and I also don't have that short of a wig. So, this is what I have. The first thing that I'm doing is putting on my foundation. The first thing I'm going to be doing is contouring. So the first thing I'm doing is her nose is really like slender, so I'm going to try to get as small as I can. I'm also going to do my cheekbones. I'm going to do my temples, like, just so that way they're a bit sunken in. And then, my forehead. I'm just gonna blend that all in really quick. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing is taking my bronzer that it totally is not smashed into a million pieces, and I'm going to not break it even worse than it is. First I'm going to smile and like try to go where my smile lines are and put some right there. See, because then my smile line is more like defined-ish. I'm going to do the other side. Okay, now I'm going to smile and do like my smile lines by my eyes. I'm also going to like scrunch up my forehead like this, and also like do those like wrinkles. I'm also gonna do like right here if I do like like that. I can't. I'm sorry, this looks ridiculous. Like right here. I just want to make sure it lines up with my actual nose and not just like in place. So the next thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes really quick. gonna do the eyeshadow. She barely wears like any makeup. Well, she does like to make herself look like that, but in the show she looks like she isn't wearing any makeup. So I'm just gonna do this really, really light brown right up like for my whole base color. And then now I'm going to take this brown and just, do I want to do that? I'm actually going to take this brown and put it all over my lid. Okay, so the next thing that I'm doing is I'm just going to take this brown and put it in my crease. I'm actually going to take this brown and do it very lightly right under my eyes to just give me more of dark circles than I already have. Now I'm just going to put on some mascara. Okay, for the lips, I'm going to be using this color. I'm just going to be putting on a teeny tiny bit and then blending it in. Now I'm going to be putting on my fake bangs. This color of the fake bangs does match my hair, but right now my hair is tinted green, so it doesn't quite match, but like you could totally tell they're fake. But when my hair isn't green, they look like they match. So this is the whole outfit. I just took the shirt that I was wearing and turned it backwards and then put on this flannel over it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!